To create an extended contact matcher, go to Administer, Automation, Extended Contact Matcher. By default, there is already one profile created. That one you can edit or copy and create your own one, depending on the different situations. In this case, we have used the default profile. Now let's have a closer look. You start by giving the profile a name. The next thing you do is to set the general options. You decide what to do if there are multiple contacts in CVCRM with the same match. Do you want the oldest contact, the newest contact, or create a new contact? Secondly, you also decide what to use as the default location type. In the second session, you can set options for updating data. For example, when a contact is already present but enters a different first name or last name, you can set here to override the first name or last name. The same goes for the phone number, the email, the website, or the address. The next thing we do is to set up the matching rules. In this case, we have many rules set to decide whether there's a match or not. Usually, you only set one or two. For instance, checking if the contact already exists on the first name, last name, and any email address. In matched and created contacts, you can add contacts that have been matched or created and put them in a specific group or give them a tag so that your back office can look into them later and to see if the matching was done correctly. A duplicate activity is created when already two contacts with the same data are known in CVCRM. If you set this section, an activity is added to the contact card so that your back office can look into it later and maybe dedupe them. With different handling, you can add an activity on the contact card that shows both the old data that's been entered and the new data. For example, if somebody's already known in CVCRM but enters a different address or phone number, an activity will be added showing both the old and new data. For this case, I have added a new activity type, which I've called XEM data to be checked. This whole extended contact matcher profile will show up in the form processor, which we will later on explain.